Good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine.
All right. Now we are going to start prayer. Then after we will start our class. Till 8 students are here. Let's wait for a while. Okay. Let's start prayer and we will do yesterday's recap. Till then others will join. Join your hands, close your eyes and start with me. Om Bhuvasvaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. May God bless you all with happiness, success and health. Have a good day ahead. Now let's see, 12 students are here. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes,
can
beta?
you rotate your...
Yes. Now I forgot to off the screen rotation. Okay, on the screen rotation. That's why. After class, I need to send homework and all these details. So I need to switch it off. But now I have on it, so it will. Okay. Now see. Next one. What we have learned in our previous class. Who will tell me what were our last happenings?
Countable nouns and uncountable nouns and infinite pronouns.
Okay. And today we are going to do the second chapter, right? Grammar part of second chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, do you have any query regarding first chapter? Any doubt, any query, anything you want to get clear information or else? Yes? What do you think? All right. Khushi Kundari joined. Okay. Who will tell me about diary entry? What we have done in diary entry? Yes? Anyone else? About diary entry. What was the content for the diary entry? Yes. I will not move ahead.
Ma'am, can
before
I
getting answer. Yes, beta.
diary entry
Okay, so diary entry is basically used to mention the daily experiences, daily happiness, the moment of happiness, sorrow, joy. Okay, and now let's see the things here in your textbook. We are having the new part, prepositions. Okay, what are the prepositions? You people are learning about it. Now next step of prepositions we are going to know. But what are the prepositions? What do you mean by prepositions? Who will tell me? Yes?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the prepositions are like to indicate the places, ma'am, like on, under.
Good. Okay.
Near.
So prepositions are used to clear our statements. Okay. To create the effective meaning of our sentences. Prepositions are helpful to give the perfect meaning to the sentences. Right. Now we are going to learn through PPT. I am having 2 PPTs of prepositions. Let me check the screen first. Yes, it's 14. So we can move ahead with the screen sharing. After screen sharing, we are going to solve the textbook exercises. Okay. I hope that these PPTs will help you to get the content idea, clear content idea, right? Now let me start the screen sharing. Wait for a while. Let's see this PPT first, then after I will show you another one. Prepositions. What are prepositions? A preposition precedes a noun or a pronoun to show nouns or the preposition's relationship to another word in the sentence. It helps us to define the relationship between the noun or pronoun or another word in the sentence. They say prepositions are connecting words or bridge words. They show relationship. Okay. Confused? Let's take an example. The dog is dash my bed. In the above sentence, there is a gap. We need a word to connect the noun bed to rest of the sentence. So a preposition fits in, and the best preposition would be on. So the dog is on my bed. Preposition is on. It precedes the noun bed. It shows relationship between dog and bed. Where is the dog? Where the dog is? The dog is on my bed. So on is the preposition here, which indicates which defines the relationship between dog and bed, and it helps us to get the exact place of dog, right? Now see the next one. Prepositions can also appear at the beginning of the sentence, but their function remains the same. Outside the window, the birds are singing. Preposition outside. It precedes the noun window, and it shows the relationship between birds and window, where the birds are singing outside. So again, outside is the preposition, help us to get the clear destination. Kahan pe hai birds? Okay, outside, right? Now next one, object of the preposition. Object of preposition, the noun that comes after the preposition is called object of preposition. The dog is on my bed. Here, preposition is on, object is bed. The cow jumped over the moon. Over preposition, object, moon. Okay. Now let's see, the dog is on my bed. Preposition, on. Dog and bed, relationship. And object of the preposition, bed. Okay. Now see, kinds of preposition according to functionality. Prepositions of place. Okay, this is the recap regarding preposition. It is the basic PPT. Then after we will learn the actual PPT of complex prepositions. Okay, prepositions of place. Sometimes prepositions show where something happens. Okay, on, around, under, over, inside, beside, behind, in. Example, the apple is on the table. Ria enjoys skating around the lake. The cat is under the table. Some geese flew over their house. John and Sarah were hiding inside the wardrobe. There was a tree beside the river. I am behind the door. Clothes are in the bucket. Okay. Now let's see, preposition of time shows us when something happens. Okay, they say school starts at 9 o'clock. We are going to the zoo on Saturday. I visited my grandparents during the summer. You must finish the work by Friday. Now next see, some prepositions show where something is going. They are called prepositions of direction. The boys chased after each other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the river bank. Now, The freeway goes right through the city. We were traveling towards Miami. After, down, along, through, towards are the prepositions of direction. Now prepositions of agent or instrument. They say these prepositions indicate that an action conducted on a noun is caused by another noun. They are called preposition of agent. Ramayana was written by Valmiki, right? She was hit by a car while she was going to school. She graduated with an honors degree. I opened my closet with a key. She came to the school by car. Okay, now prepositions of purpose or and source. These include for and from respectively. For expresses purpose, reason, cause. From expresses origination. This PPT is dealing with question number A of your textbook. Okay, page number 18. You can see the prepositions of page number 18 also. He goes for a walk. I read for pleasure. I read for pleasure. He got a prize for bravery. I had to suffer for your behavior. The earth receives light from the sun. He needs the help from gratitude. Here for is expressing the purpose, reason or cause. And from expresses the origin. Kaha se, right? Now, prepositions of major or possession of. Here, see, prepositions of can be used to quantify a noun. Indicate that one noun owns another noun. Show the material with which something is made. I need a pound of cheese. 1/3 of the students were present in the class. He is a man of wealth. He is the daughter of a rich man. The pen is made of wood. The dress is made of silk. Okay. Now see here prepositions. Basic question A is completed with the PPT. Here prepositions are used according to the time, place, direction, major, purpose, source, agent, instrument. Okay. Now let's see the another PPT. Wait for a while. एक minute. Listen. Preposition, complex prepositions I have saved here. Wait for a while. Prepositions. Wait, this is another PPT regarding prepositions. Wait, where is it? I have saved it. Complex prepositions. Okay, let me show it by here itself. Complex prepositions. Wait for a while. It is getting open. Complex prepositions. Here, a word group such as along with or on account of that functions like an ordinary one-word preposition. Complex preposition can be divided into two groups. Two word units, a word plus a simple preposition, such as apart from, known as compound prepositions. Okay. And three word units, simple preposition, a noun plus a simple preposition, such as means of, also known as phrasal prepositions. Okay. Now complex prepositions example, also known as phrasal preposition or compound preposition. Complex prepositions can be known as phrasal preposition or compound preposition both. Definition: complex or compound prepositions consist of two or more words together having the function of a preposition. Okay, see here example. As opposed to simple preposition, compound prepositions are two or three words in length. Joan's car is parked in front of the store. In front of is the preposition here. Now, notice how the compound preposition in front of describes the relationship between Joan's car and the store. Okay, the store is the object of the preposition here, and Joan's car and store are having relation in between them. And in front of is the preposition which indicating with joining these two together. Now see, Yuga sat next to Martha at the pep rally. Here next to. In the above sentence, the compound preposition next to describes where Yuga sat in relation to Martha. We were late because of the heavy traffic. Because of is the word which shows us relationship between being late and heavy traffic. Right. Now let's see in this last example the compound preposition because of the relationship between the lateness and the heavy traffic. Now complex prepositions. Phrasal preposition or complex preposition denotes the structure. Preposition plus noun plus preposition. A variety of prepositions may occupy the first position in relation to, with regard to, by means of, for the sake of, on account of, at variance with, as well as. The second position, in view of, in return for, in addition to, in conformity with. While the noun most often has a zero determiner, the definite article with the exception of is not infrequent. The indefinite article as a result of is rare. Okay. Now here are the few examples. According to, apart from, by courtesy of, by dint of, by means of, by permission of, by reason of, by virtue of, by way of, in consideration of, in danger of, in fact of, in favor of, in front of, in the interest, in front of, in the interest of, in need of, in lieu of, in quest of, okay, in place of, in respect of, in search of, in settlement of, in spite of, in view of, in accordance of, with regard to. Okay, example, the book is Between War and Peace and The Lord of the Rings. The computer is in front of the table. According to my mother, my father died in 1988. The cat is in front of my mother. There are many beautiful countries in America, such as Peru and Brazil. Thanks to my father, my brother has a new car. Now see, here is the detailed explanation. Now I am going to explain you the thing. Okay, PPT is helpful to get the idea in detail. Now listen me carefully. Here are the prepositions. Okay, preposition help us to give the effective meaning to the sentence. Why? Because it help us to define. It help us to explain the relation between noun and another word. If I say that I was late because of heavy traffic. Because of is the preposition. Because is the word, okay, which we use to explain the reason. And of is preposition. Noun plus preposition means complex preposition. Complex preposition क्या होता है? When we use two, one or more prepositions with a noun to create effective meaning and explain the relationship between the noun and the other word effectively, then we use complex prepositions, right? So complex prepositions are the prepositions which are having combination of word plus preposition. Okay, जैसे preposition plus noun plus preposition or noun plus preposition. See examples from your textbook. Open your textbook. Here are the few examples. In front of. Here in is the preposition, front is the word indicator, of is another one. So in front of, according to, okay, in, at, for, on behalf of, due to, okay. So these are the prepositions. Now let's get back to the text with the help of your textbook. Open page number 18. Have a pen in your hand. We will have it in detail, okay. Wait for a while. Do you have any query till now?
Textbook.
Better textbook, chapter number 2, page number 18, textbook.
Not 18.
Okay?
Page number 18.
Have you opened textbook? Yes,
Yes,
page
ma'am.
number 18. Okay.
Yes.
So here, have you opened it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay. Now see. Wait for a while. Huh? See here. Open your textbook. Complete this extract from a newspaper article with the correct prepositions. You can use a preposition more than once. Okay. Okay. Now see the text. I am going to change my camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, 25 children between the age of 8 and 17 will receive the National Bravery Award from the Prime Minister. Here, the National Bravery Award and the Prime Minister having relationship. Okay. So from is the word of possession. किससे मिला? Prime Minister से. That's why from is used here. Now, on 23 January, on which day? It is indicating the time. On 23 January. Here is the story of one of these brave hearts. Sumit Mamagain. Okay, a 15-year-old from Uttarakhand. From, it is indicating the place. Okay, write down from, on, off, from. Thereafter, where Sumit's older cousin Ritesh was being dragged away by a leopard. By possession. Who was dragging Ritesh? A leopard. Okay, so by. He told Sumit to run, but Sumit decided to stay and fight. He vowed to get his cousin out of this dangerous situation, and he succeeded. Out of. Out is another word and off. Off is different. Here out and off are different, but here they are playing the role of together as a preposition. Now let's see the incident which occurred on 8 November 2015. It's still fresh in his mind. I threw stones at the animal, but it started moving towards me. It pounced on me, but I then pelted some more stones at it, after which it finally ran away, said Sumit. Sumit will receive the Sanjay Chopra Award for his bravery. Okay. Now see, someone's speaker is on. Will you please switch it off? Whose speaker is on? भद्रा किया देव. Now see, it is the, what happened, Dev?
No, मैं बंद करना भूल गया.
Okay. Now see the second passage. These are the complex prepositions. Do you have any query about complex prepositions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now see, there in front of his house stood a car loaded with luggage. In front of, here blank number 12 is after and blank number 13 is for. 12 is after and 13 is for. Got it? You will get it in PDF also. Okay. Now see the next one. According to William, the Beveridge report did not help children. According to William, the Beveridge report did not help children. According to means in the view of, किसी के view से. Okay. Now the highlighted words are complex prepositions. Most of the prepositions have dealt with so far have consisted of a single word like in, at or for. These are simple prepositions. Complex prepositions consist of two or more words which function together as a preposition. It is very easy. In the PPT also we get the idea. It is having the combination plus preposition plus noun plus preposition or noun plus preposition. Okay. Now I am going to collect the award on behalf of Ismail. On behalf of is the complex preposition here. The football match has been cancelled due to rain. Due word to preposition, due to complex preposition. Okay. There are some examples of complex preposition with reference to, except for, thanks to, instead of, because of, in search of, and so on. Now complete these sentences with the correct complex prepositions given below. Now it's time of answering question. You people have to answer me. First one. I couldn't sleep at night. Dash my headache.
Ma'am, because of?
Very good. Because of. Write down the first answer. Because of. I am typing it for you. BECAUSE, because of. Because of. Second question.
My mother has gone dash away. He is nowhere to be found. My mother has gone.
Discipline. My mother has gone dash away. She is nowhere to be found. Okay, he is nowhere to be found is the clue to the answer. Okay, he is nowhere to be found. वो कहीं भी नहीं मिला. Right, means my mother has gone dash of away. In search of. Write down. In search of. Second, in, SEARCH. Search of. Here, in is first preposition plus search noun plus of preposition. Two prepositions and one noun combination. It is also complex preposition. Now, the company made great profits last year. That's the advertisement they put out. Here, the advertisement they put out. If you advertise properly, you will get more customers. So, here, the company made great profits last year. Why did the company get more profit last year? Because the advertise was good, right? So, to whom we thanks? To the advertise. So, thanks to. Third one's answer. Who will tell me third one's answer?
thanks to.
Good. Now fourth one. Everybody agreed with Manasa's suggestion dash Ali, who thought it was a bad idea.
Ma'am,
Ali thought
ma'am, but
no. Everybody agreed with Manasa's suggestion that Ali thought it was a bad idea. मतलब अली के सिवा बाकी सबको वो आइडिया अच्छी लगी तो एक्सेप्ट फॉर आएगा ना एक्सेप्ट फॉर नाउ फिफ्थ वन कैन वी प्ले चेस dash badminton I feel too tired to get out here you have to choose or can we play chess no or with reference to except thanks to instead of because of in search of and instead of owning your mic you can ask for permission in the chat box. You can ask for permission in the chat box instead of unmuting yourself. So instead of is used to give the answer choice. Okay.
ma'am,
So what would be the answer? Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a network issue. So when you told answer of first, second, third, and fourth, then your voice was cutting.
Don't worry, beta. You will get it PDF. You can continue with fifth. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I will send it PDF. Right. Now see the next question. Fifth one. Can we play chess dash badminton? I feel too tired to go out. Yes. Ayan.
Okay, ma'am. Can we play chess instead of badminton?
Very good. Keep it up, beta. Very happy to see your effort. Write down instead of. Instead of. INSTEAD. Here I forgot I. Okay, let me write one more time. Instead of. It is too difficult to type. Now let's see the next part. This is dash your order number K09213. The parcel will be delivered tomorrow. Here, who will tell the answer? How many of you are ordering online things? So they will get the idea. Rushil is interested. Yes, Rushil, you can answer. This is dash.
Ma'am, with
This
reference.
is dash. Very good. Write down with reference to. Sixth answer. With reference to. How do you feel? Is it easy or difficult?
Ma'am, easy.
Easy. Yes, go. Yes. But whenever you get free time, go through the PPTs, whichever I am going to share in the class group. Okay? So it will help you to get content idea in a proper, easy way. Right? Now underline the complex preposition in these sentences. The film is very dull in comparison to the book. So what would be the preposition, complex preposition here? Yes?
Dull, ma'am. Or
In comparison to. Right? Circle it. In comparison to. In, beta. First one. In comparison. Comparison to. Okay. Is the preposition, complex preposition. Second, she went to play in spite of her mother's orders.
ma'am,
Second answer.
In spite of.
Very
In spite of.
in spite of. Very good. Third answer.
I will get my vacation short along with my sister on Sunday.
I will be getting my vacation short along with. Along with. Now fourth one. Fourth
Sam
answer.
wants
Who is fourth question's answer?
Sam wants to buy the expensive shoes regardless of the price. Regardless of.
Very good. Write down. Regardless of. Circle it. Now fifth one. Tariq will be playing the role of Robin Hood in place of Rajiv.
In place of.
Ma'am, in place of. Very good. Write down fifth one. In place of. Now, vocabulary. Guess the meaning of the highlighted expressions in these sentences. Jaya turned as white as a sheet when the policeman told her that her son had been in an accident. Here, white as a sheet means?
And she is
Ma'am,
talented.
to shock, ma'am, to shock.
Where especially from shock, very pale, सफेद हो जाना skin, turned white as a sheet मतलब very pale. Write down there. V-E-R-Y, very P-A-L-E. Okay, in what is the especially from shock, S-H-O-C-K. Now next one. Combs' face was black and blue after the boxing match. Black and blue means
I'm full of sweat.
covered with bruises. जख्म से काला नीला हो जाना, right? Second one. Covered with what? Now third one. Summer vacations are over and my cousins have gone back home. I am feeling blue. Feeling blue means?
I'm feeling normal.
How many of you were in NEPS in 4th standard will be familiar with these phrases, expressions. Here Sarodia, how many of you from NEPS are here now? They will know. Let me check. Onik Bakhtaria, you can remember it. Then, okay, let it be. Now see, feeling blue means, yes, feeling very sad. Okay, write down feeling sad. Which is the question 3-1? Feeling sad. 3-1. Feeling sad. Now fourth one. Who will answer the fourth question? People who cheat. People who cheat. See red. See red means become angry. Become B-E-C-O-M-E. Angry. Now fifth one. Nehru went red in the face. Sorry, Nehru went. Nehru went red in the face when she was caught chewing gum in class.
Ma'am,
Red in the face. Feel embarrassed. Write down. Feel
Ma'am.
Now, yes, beta. Every one of you is not listening. Means I am not audible to every one of you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
It is coming.
Yes, beta. Am I audible to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Audible.
Yes, ma'am. Possible and visible.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Now see the next part. Vocabulary question B. Write the highlighted movement words in the correct box. The scared cat bolted the instant it saw me. Bolted is the movement. Okay, means fast or slow. Who will tell me bolted means fast movement or a slow movement?
Ma'am, I tell.
Ma'am, fast movement.
Yes, fast movement. So write it there in the fast box. Bolted, B-O-L-T-E-D. Fast, bolted. Now second, he jumped out of the car and dashed upstairs. Dashed fast.
Ma'am, slow. Slow.
Dashed matlab fast. Now third one, I crept as close as I could to the mysterious bird in my veranda. Crept. Crept matlab walking slowly. No. Crept matlab walking slowly without making the noise of foot even. पैरों का आवाज किए बिना धीरे धीरे चलना means crept. Crept. Slow. Write it in the slow column. Now, when the bell rang, the children scampered off to play. Scampered fast. Running very fast. Okay, scampered. Scampered मतलब fast. दौड़ कर जाना. Second one, we hopped and puffed and folded up the hill. Slow. Folded. Slowly. P-L-O-D-D-E-D. Right? Slow. It is for slow. Write it in the slow column. May I show you the answer, or you people are able to write it by your own? Fast, bolted, scampered, and slow, crept and folded. Very good. Spelling onic bacteria. P-L-O-D-D-E-D. Okay. P-O नहीं है. P-L-O-D-D-E-D. Alright, beta. Check your spelling. Now see speaking. Major Hamilton was grateful to William for saving his important papers from being stolen. He might have said, I don't know what I would have done without these papers. Thank you so much, William. When we want to thank you someone, there are different expressions we could use depending on the situation. I appreciate the time you took to explain this to me. I appreciate the time. Here the feeling of gratitude or appreciation. When we want to say someone thank you, means if you are having any doubt in the maths sum, okay, and one of your friend helped you to solve the sum. So what would be your statement of thank you? I appreciate the time you took to explain this to me. Thank you. Okay, now it was very kind of you to come to see us off at the railway station. When someone gives your time or visits you in regard of your health or in regard of offering you a help, so it was very kind of you. So it was very kind of you to drop me to the airport. Okay, it can be say like this also. Now thanks a ton for all your help. Thanks a ton for all your help. When you are at the unknown place or any stranger or the residents help you, like the story of what we call, if you remember the story of Walk to Remember, where the boys can also thank the old man for showing them the way to the Toadmost. So, thanks a ton. Now, I couldn't have done this without your help. Here, this can be said when you were having a lot of trouble and some of your family, relative or friend help you out to get out of the problem. So, you can say this, I couldn't have done this without your help. Now, see, how would you express your gratitude in these situations? Don't forget to explain why you are grateful. Your friend lets you stay over at their place when your parents are out of a town. What would be your sentence? आपके parents घर पे नहीं है and one of your friend allow you to stay at his home. Then what would be your answer? Yes? What would you say?
What, ma'am?
It was very kind of you to let me stay at your place. Okay?
May I say only?
Second, a policeman helps you find your lost bicycle. A policeman helps you find your lost bicycle. How do you thank the policeman? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, can I say Russell?
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for finding out my bicycle, sir.
I couldn't have done this without your help, right? Without policeman's help, you could not have found your bicycle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now listening, text and writing is remaining. We will see it later on. Today what we have done? Today we have learned about the prepositions. Preposition help us to state the relationship between one word and the noun and the other word. Okay. Basically preposition help us to get the effective meaning for the sentence. Complex preposition is the combination of noun plus preposition or preposition plus noun plus preposition. It helps us to say the detailed relation and the meaningful effective sentence, right? So here we learned about few preposition like on behalf of, according to, in front of in this chapter. And in vocabulary we learned about the expressions and movement words. It helps us to express our feelings effectively. And if you are having any query, you can ask me. Today your homework is you have to complete the workbook exercise of chapter 2 of grammar. I will send it PDF also with the help of the content. Okay? Grammar exercise page number 12 and vocabulary page number 13 in your workbook. You have to solve this at home. You will get the PDF for it. Yes, beta. Any doubt or query?
Ma'am, we have to solve from workbook, ma'am.
Yes, in workbook. I will show you PDF of textbook, but textbook we have completed as a classwork. Now homework is workbook and you will get it in PDF form tomorrow. Workbook answer I will send you tomorrow. You have to complete it today itself, homework from workbook, okay? Okay, tomorrow you have to cross check it. Today you have to solve it. Have a good day. Bye bye. You can leave class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.